Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto Chester. I'm here today to give you a Bitcoin update. We're going to be going through the micros of Bitcoin and also finishing off with the macros. Starting off with the giveaway winner from last week. It is going to be Simon in the comment section. You have won 1 week on my indicators, so drop me a message on Telegram and I'll get that sorted for you there, Simon. Moving across to the 1 hour chart here for Bitcoin. As you can see, it has been absolutely crazy recently, guys. Obviously, we have set new lows for Bitcoin down at around 15,460. Been pretty horrific times from there, but this is where we want to know how we're going to be trading this, how we're going to be making money. So right now, what I'm looking at in terms of a chart pattern is going to be this symmetrical triangle chart pattern, guys. And you can see on the lower side here, this is the level of support that we are working with. These are the levels of resistance we're working with. Because it is because it's a symmetrical triangle chart pattern at the bottom of this downtrend, this actually means that it's a bearish pennant chart pattern, and this usually means continuation to the downside. So the measure move that we're actually working with here for the short-term time frame here for Bitcoin is going to be something along the lines of this. So where are we looking for a break, and where are we going to be looking to short this? We're going to be looking for a break of this trend line, as we were just discussing support on this area here. And that's going to be around 15,988. So around the $16,000 mark for Bitcoin. And how much money can we be making in terms of percentages? How much percent can we be making? It's going to be around a 4.78% there in terms of percentage gain for this measure move to the downside. So if we do get a break there, there's going to be a very, very nice clean short position. I do think we are going to probably have some challenges in terms of levels of support to be looking out for there. As you can see, the levels of support that I just drew in there is 15,810, 15,468, which is the current bear market low. So that's sort of what I'm looking for here on the short-term time frame. In terms of the MACD, guys, you can see we have got this this downtrend is continuously carrying on here. We are seeing it fizzle out a little bit after this disgusting death wick to the upside for Bybit. Don't know what happened there within the last hour or so. Just absolutely brutal stuff. So yeah, hopefully no one got too wrecked on that. But overall, right now, I am still bearish on Bitcoin, especially with that that continuation chart pattern to the downside. Now, in terms of the RSI right now, guys, we did really get oversold here, all the way down to around 14.8. But this does actually mean it's got a little bit of positive news to it. And the reasoning for this is, guys, is because you can see the low that we set on the RSI. You can see the low that we didn't set here in the price action, okay? We didn't break this current higher low here at around 15,800. And that basically means that we are going to be seeing a bullish divergence, guys. If we are going to see this come through, we could likely see some bullish price action to the upside. If we are looking for price targets for that, for some bullish action to the upside, I would probably be looking for the top side of this symmetrical triangle chart pattern just for now, and that's going to be around 16,600. That sort of area is going to be an area of resistance, so please, please, please watch out for that. Moving on to the midterm time frame here for Bitcoin. Actually, no, just the premium scalp package quickly. Nothing really going on that crazy at the moment. We are still in the bearish sort of zone. So yeah, I'm not going to be bullish at all on the premium scalp package, taking those long signals until we have cleared this lovely little multi-time frame multi-time frame moving average here, and that's going to be around 16,400. So that's an area to be looking out for there as well, guys. Moving across to the midterm time frame here for Bitcoin. As you can see, we have got the Fibonacci retracement coming through, the low set of around 15,500. In terms of the area that I do want to watch for, and the area that I'm going to be bullish when we actually start flipping bullish, because at the moment it's still disgustingly bearish, but I will be a bit more bullish when we clear 16,950. You can see that's going to be the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement. If we can get over that, that will be acting as support. You can see the price action channels coming down really, really quite strong here. If we can get over that, that's going to be a level of support. And also, guys, if we're going to be looking at volume weighted ATR bands here for a second, you can see we're sat pretty much bang on the 4-hour volume weighted ATR band and also the 30-minute volume weighted ATR band. So the low that we could be looking for today, if we get a candle body close above the 4-hour, it's going to be amazing. But the low that we could be looking for is going to be the 1 hour, okay? And that's going to be around 15,700 and 15,757, okay? So that's going to be an area of support that I want you guys to really be looking out for there. And you can see the last time that we tested the volume weighted ATR band, you can see that level of support. We actually got propelled up with a lot of magnitude, okay? And that was worth around 6.34%. So that's an area that I do want you guys to be looking out for today. If that does happen, we are going to be using that area for a potential take profit point for our short position here on the shorter term time frame, right? So if we go back and we have a look, that's around 15,757 at this time. 15,757 is just a little bit lower than the current low that we have got already. The current high low that we've got already sat around 15,810. So please, please be aware for that if you are going to be shorting. Obviously, guys, it's not financial advice. Just take these levels into account. We're seeing a little minor pump for Bitcoin right now. Good stuff. stuff. But yeah, if we do get a nice 4-hour candle body close above the 4-hour volume weighted ATR band, this is where I'm going to be looking for a bit more bullish momentum, right? I will be looking at this current low that we have seen as a higher low, and then I want to see us propel to the upside. You can see the 30-minute volume weighted ATR band and the 60-minute volume weighted ATR band is considerably far away, okay? Currently sat around 17,000 there for the 30-minute and around 17,500 for the 60-minute. I mean, I do think if we are going to jump to the macro, I do think we are due to come up to this 17,600, 700 sort of level. And the reasoning for this is, guys, is because after a massive dump for Bitcoin, a lot of the time we come up, we have a test of the price action channel. Pretty much all the time, okay? So what I would expect now after setting a low from the bear market that we're currently in, I would expect a bit more upwards momentum, a test of this area, and that's when I'm going to be feeling a little bit more bullish. If we can get over this area and actually solidify a few nice strong candle body closes and get that support acting really, really nicely there, then we're going to be back in this chart pattern, okay? If this does happen, then we're going to be sat in a range between 17,600 as that previous low, which is over there, which you can't see because of the camera. There you go, the previous low over there. And that will put us between the range of that and also the upside of around 20k. So whether we get back up inside of this chart pattern here and then we bounce around this area a bit more while the market sort of stabilizes after this black swan event, then that's sort of the ideal sort of scenario that I would be looking for. And I kind of want that, guys. I do want that because those areas are pretty much quite easy to trade. We can set up some grids and stuff like that. I mean, if we just keep dumping to the downside right now, there's not really that much we can really be doing apart from shorting, okay? We can short it and then just hold on and pray, really. Because at this point in time, it's pretty horrific in terms of the charts, in terms of what we're looking at there. Now, in terms of a really strong level of support that I do want to touch on very, very briefly, it is going to be this 5,500. And the reasoning for this is, guys, if we jump to the weekly quickly, you can see we've actually got this level of support coming through from this previous bull market high, okay? So I'm just going to jump to the daily quickly and zoom all the way along. And as you can see, it's just loading. You can see here, this is a very, very, very strong area that we have been finding support and finding resistance off before. So I do want to be taking this into consideration. If we do stay in this area, it's going to be absolutely amazing. But if we lose this area, guys, you can see the resistance that we have had from this before. Multiple candle tests on the daily here. This could cause some horrific price action to the downside. Now, you can see the areas that I have been looking at here for this is 13,880 and also 12,373. These areas are very, very strong levels of support. And I just want to reiterate, if we lose this 15,000 sort of 500 area in terms of a very strong candle body close, breaking new bear market lows for Bitcoin right now, if we do that, then God help Bitcoin, right? It's going to be pretty bad considering it's already quite bad. I would expect more downside if we do lose this area. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be a lot more bearish, and I'm going to be a lot more bullish if we can come up above this trend line around 17,000, 18,000. Those sorts of areas are the real crucial ones there. In terms of the VPVR, where have we got that one? VPVR here on the daily here, the point of control is miles away at the top side here. It's around 19,000, guys. 19,000 is going to be a point of control for the VPVR, so we need to be looking at that for basically resistance if we can get above this 18,000 area, okay? But that's going to be it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you do want to trade Bitcoin, you can literally go to the link at the bottom of the video, and there is a $4,163 bonus if you do use this link and sign up with Bybit. Amazing. That's not Bybit, BitGet. If you wanted to sign up with Bybit, you can do that as well. The link is in the description as well there, guys. But yeah, thank you ever so much for watching. Do appreciate it. And if you want to enter the giveaway as well, comment section, drop a comment, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next video. But for now, it's going to be peace out and goodbye from me, Crypto Chester.